All right, what is our big goal in math class, guys? What is our big goal? Everybody.
85% or higher.
Nice job, and why do we want to reach that goal? Summer, why do we want to reach the goal?
It just feels good to reach a goal. Like, if you've been wanting to get this goal for a long time, you haven't been getting it, and you finally got it, it feels so good to get that goal.
Totally. Sometimes it's just nice to reach a goal, to set something high for us to do and then to reach it. Absolutely. Why else might we want to reach our goal?
Because your parents ask you a question, you're not going to know because you never wanted to learn.
Sure. So if somebody is asking you a question, maybe not just your parents, but if anybody's asking you a question, oh man, what's 5 times 5? You would know, right, if you were listening to our second grade math. Okay? I love how Gladys is in that learning position and she was looking at Malia as she was speaking. That's a great way. Is there lots of good reasons to reach your goal?
Yeah!
Okay, so we are going to go over what we learned yesterday about meters and centimeters. Do a quick activity or two. And then we have a little worksheet where we're going to actually try it. And before you leave today, you're going to have to show me that you know how to do a couple things. Deal? What is this called? This is a meter stick. Very good. And how much is this? A meter stick?
1 meter.
Very good. So this is 1 meter. And on your desk, you can grab it. We have a ruler. And can you guys show me just 1 centimeter on a ruler? Can you show me 1 centimeter? Is a centimeter big or small? Small. Okay, put your ruler down, please. All right, thank you for not touching those things anymore after I gave that direction. All right, nice job, David, having those eyes on me. Thank you, Mimi, for having those eyes on me and being in an awesome learning position. That's going to help you reach your goal. Way to go. Okay, so we have a meter stick and a ruler. We know that.
Yeah.
All right, now we talked about this word yesterday, centimeter. What does that word cent mean? What does it mean? Whisper it to me. Cent means 100. And I heard some people saying the word cent as in century or cent. Century is 100 years. A cent is like 1 cent in a dollar. Means 100. What does it mean?
100.
So if we have centimeter, that means how many centimeters are in 1 meter? Think about how much cent is worth. How many are in 1 meter? Lake? There are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. And you can see right here, we have 1 all the way up to 99, and right here is 100. Do you see 100 centimeters on here?
Yeah.
That is 100 centimeters. Okay, so we talked about things we already know. We need to start at the beginning, or the 0, on our ruler when we measure something. So say I would like to measure, I'm going to measure this stick right here, this little popsicle stick, okay? When I measure this popsicle stick, I'm going to take the beginning, what side?
The beginning.
Of the ruler, or of the object, and I'm going to put it at the 0 on my ruler. Do you guys see what I'm doing here?
Yes.
Okay, I would like you to show me how you would do this with your pencil and your ruler. You have 10 seconds. Go. Lining our pencil up with the 0. Show me. The beginning of the pencil. Whoa, nice work, man. Way to go. I'm proud of you. Okay, remember this red line is showing us the top. So line it up with that 0. Oh, that's with the 12. Line it up right here. Where's the 0? Look here. Here's the beginning of the 0. See how we're lining up the beginning? Now we also talked about these words. Shorter, shortest, longer, longest, taller, tallest. When I say go, you are going to turn to your partner, okay? And you are going to look at this picture and say, object is, and use one of these words, than, object, Okay, we're comparing two objects. We've talked about it. So I would like you to try that with your partner now. Go. Coming back. 5, 4, 3. That means everybody should be in their learning positions in 2. Your very best learning position, just like Gladys and Newell. Nice job, Evelyn. 1. Best learning positions and 0. Very good. Okay, can somebody share with me what their partner said? Because I want to know that you were listening to what your partner had to say. What did your partner say, Malaya?
That
Or 1 plus 7 plus 2.
is taller than
Okay, so what is
Perfect. The light pole is taller than the stoplight. Very good. All right. And the other thing that we talked about is if we use our pencil or if we use paper clips to measure something, would anybody else know what we were talking about? No, I could say to Miss Sherman, oh yeah, that desk is 6 paper clips long. She'd be like, what? You're crazy, right? She wouldn't know what I'm talking about because we use things like centimeters and meters. Those are units of measurement that not only do we use in 2nd grade, but 3rd grade uses them, 4th grade, kids in college use them, and then people all over the world, people in Canada or Australia, okay? People all over the world are using these measurements, right, Daniel?
Yes, that's true.
That's so true, right? So we need to make sure that we're using not paper clips or silly things. We're using centimeters or meters, right? So remember these 2 things that we should know how to do by the end of the class?
Yeah.
So the first thing is we should be able to say, I will be able to use a centimeter ruler to measure length. So if I give you an object, you're going to be able to use your ruler to measure something. Do you think we can do it?
Yeah.
Okay, the other thing is that you're going to be able to draw a line of a given length. So if I said, Xavier, can you please draw a 3 centimeter line? He would take his ruler, he would draw a 3 centimeter line, and he would know how to do it, and it would be perfect. Do you think you can do that? Yes. Okay, so we're going to practice that today. Are you guys ready? So, one more thing before we start. How are we going to use our rulers, centimeters, meters, or meter sticks? How are we going to use all of those things in the real world? Malaya?
We're going to use it in the real world because if you're in construction, you need that to build stuff.
Absolutely. So if you're in construction, you might be using measurements to help you build things. I loved how Evelyn turned her head and was looking at Malaya to show her that respect as she was talking.
in centimeters or meters? Meters, yes.
All right, coming back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What would you measure in centimeters? We're going to just shoot them off. Here we go. Diego.
I'll measure Miss Jordan and Miss Jordan's name tag.
Miss Jordan's name tag. Perfect. Very good. Sissy, what would you measure? 2 things. Bring them on.
The lunch cutters and a little scrap.
Okay, a little scrap that we might find on the floor and some lunch critters. All right, Manuel, what would you measure?
A water bottle.
Okay, a water bottle. Very good. Okay, so we also learned about how we could use a tape measure yesterday. Now remember, a tape measure is a lot more flexible than a ruler, right? A ruler we can't really bend very much, and if we bend it too far, it's going to break. So we're going to use a tape measure to measure things that are round. Okay? Yesterday, we practiced measuring my arm in centimeters. Now, we have inches. This white side is inches, but today we're practicing centimeters, so we're going to be on the side that's black and white. Got it?
Got it.
Okay? So what I would like you to do, you are going to stand up with your neighbor. When I say go, measure their arm. Okay? Find out how long their arm is, and then they're going to measure your arm. And then as soon as you are done with that, I want to see you back in your learning positions, okay? As fast as you can. All right? Ready? All right, go. Let me see.
And around. Okay? Now you're going to see what you get, okay? See what everybody's doing?
I love how you guys did a fun activity like that and got right back down in your seats, ready to learn. Nice job, Diego. That's okay. So we are going to try this with our pencil, okay? Really quickly. Go. Start it on any number other than 0, and then do a little math to figure out how long it is. Okay?
So put it on any number you want. You're going to figure out.
All right, so 3, that pencil should be on your name tag with the ruler. 2, nice job, Daniel, getting all of that stuff away. Nice job, Isaac. 1 and 0. All right, I've asked Xavier to come up here and show us what he did. Can you come up here really quickly? You be the teacher and you explain it to us, all right?
I started at 5 and it was 20, and 20 subtract 5 is 15.
So 15 what?
15 centimeters.
15 centimeters. Very good. Nice job. Give him some silent sparkles as he walks back to his desk. Name on your paper.
First name.
All right. Number 1. We are doing this together. So should you be on number 6?
No.
No. Should you be touching your ruler?
No.
No. We're doing it together, which means I will give you directions as we do it. Number 1 says, find the length of each box. Okay? We're going to use a centimeter ruler. So that means our centimeters, which are on the top, the red numbers on our ruler, we're going to measure with our ruler how long it is. Okay, so I'm going to take my ruler and I'm going to start right here at my 0. I'm going to put it right up to the beginning of the box, and I'm going to measure how long my box is and write it on the line next to it. Okay, do this now. Go. Line it up with the 0. Other side. Remember the red side was up first.
Number 1.
Line up the 0 in the beginning of the line. Alright, wrong side.
Nope, then you wait.
Right there, number 1. Line up the 0 with the beginning of that box. Number 5.
Yeah.
Okay, so on number 5, it says draw a line that is 5 centimeters long. So I'm going to show you what I need you to do. So your eyes should be up here just like I see Lake's eyes. Thank you, Mimi. Thank you, Elazar. Thank you, Diego. So in that box, I'm going to put this ruler. And I'm going to start my pencil at the 0. And I'm going to keep my pencil moving all the way until I hit 5. As soon as I hit 5, I'm picking my pencil up. And I will have drawn a line that is 5 centimeters long. I want you to try this with your ruler. If you need help, please raise your hand. Okay.
So what do you plan to do right now?
Let me see you do it, bud.
Okay, so you're on number 5 right here. Draw a line that is 5 centimeters long.
Perfect. Nice work.
I'm gonna draw it.
We just learned all about centimeters and meters, right?
Yeah.
Okay. We need to know if we actually learned what we were supposed to learn. So you're going to give me a thumbs up if yes, I totally understand what I'm talking about. Right here on your chest. A thumbs down if you don't know what we're doing. And that means that a teacher still needs to help you, okay? Got it? So, can you use a centimeter ruler to measure an object? So if I were to give you an object, could you measure it with this ruler? Thumb up if you can, yes. Thumb down if you can't. Okay? All right, so it looks like a lot of us understand. Some of us might still need a little bit more help. Awesome. The other thing, can we draw a line using our ruler? If you can draw a line in centimeters using this ruler, please put your thumb up. If you're not sure how to do that, put your thumb down.
Wendy, how are you feeling?
Okay? Show me how you're feeling. Very good. Awesome. Okay, you guys may hand these papers to me at the door. This is your exit ticket. We are gathering our things and leaving quietly.